I will show you how one of the modes of OEvent work. It's what I call zero administration training mode. It's a type of competition or training where you don't have to input any data like competitors, clubs, courses or classes. After the chip readout, OEvent will automatically create necessary data. I'll show you now how easy it is to set it up. When competitor puts his chip for readout into master station, OEvent will check his chip number and then automatically create any data that's needed. It will check his punched data and if necessary create new course or class, and it will also try to find competitor's name and club data. There are two sources where OEvent will search for competitor's name: chip itself and Orienteering Online's website's archive. Getting data from Orienteering Online is very easy. All you need is to have a profile created on Orienteering Online, and then OEvent can easily download archive data from Orienteering Online. Let's do this first. OEvent will guide you through a couple of simple steps. You just need to provide your email password combination. There's quite some data to be downloaded, so this may take a while. Currently there is almost 8,000 competitors in the Orienteering Online database, and it's growing every day. Let's wait for the data to be downloaded and stored locally to OEvent's database. In the meantime, for those who doesn't know, I can explain what Orienteering Online is. It's an entry system for orienteering competitions that can be used by any club. It can greatly reduce the work you have handling entries. You can check it out at this address. OEvent is now storing competitors into database. Like I said, there are almost 8,000 competitors, so it will be finished soon. Okay, now that we have updated data from Orienteering Online, we need to create a new competition. Here you need to select a template for competition. This is basically a combination of settings which tells OEvent what features you want to use. You can always, of course, override it later. In this case, we will use zero administration training, although there are some other types of competitions. Here we will leave competition type as normal. Under basic info, you need to input competition name, date, and first start. First start doesn't really matter, except that you need to input the time before first competitor really starts. At the start, competitors will use start controls to set their actual start time. Then there is Advanced tab. This is where you select what features of OEvent you want to use. This is preset by selecting appropriate template in previous step, but you can override it here. Most of the features are disabled. Only automatic creation of data is enabled. Here you can select what source and in which order should be used when OEvent tries to find competitor's name. Currently there are two sources, and optionally this can be expanded by me to use other sources like your federation's database. Of course, clubs in your area can always create a profile on Orienteering Online, and then their data will automatically be included when OEvent refreshes its Orienteering Online's archive. Now all you have to do is open Edit Finish Times dialog and wait for competitors to read their chips. If I open Edit Competitors, you can see that there are no competitors. Now I will read out one SI card. As you can see, a new competitor has automatically been created. I will read out another SI card. For this SI card, there are no data either in chip or in Orienteering Online database. That's why competitor's name is set to the SI card number. Okay, next card number. Another competitor has been created. Let's check the Edit Competitors window. I have to refresh it. 3 competitors have been created, and one competitor even have a club name. At the end, you can always, before you publish results, rename classes and courses to something more appropriate. Thank you for watching.